Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today it's 5 favorites, and I'm going to show you my 5 favorite blue nail polishes. Let's go have a look. I've got this here hand available, and we're going to do a little painting. Number 5. This is from KB Shimmer. I got it at PBE 2023. It is a reflective. It is very beautiful. It is called Lounging Around. Now, with glitter polishes, you should know that they're just like super thick, and they thicken with time. And so that is just something that you have to take into consideration. So I like to kind of stir mine up when I first open it. So you can see it's a thick boy. But it is so pretty. Like, look at that. Let's put some on. There we go. Get us a good close-up view. Oh yeah, look at that. That is gorgeous. And I actually have quite a few of these polishes in this same formula. I would imagine they're from the same collection, really. But they're just so pretty. Like, you cannot beat this type of reflective. It's a thickie. But you can always thin that with nail polish thinner if you want to. Do bear in mind that they tend to dry kind of quickly because they're already not very liquidy, so they don't have to go a long way to be dry. Look at that. That's so pretty. I love that sparkle. It's like a blue disco ball. Number 4, we have this one from Danglefoot. It is called Uno Reverse. I got this at Polish Pickup, December 2024. This one's a magnetic, and we're going to use my little heart making magnet thing that I just made last night. I haven't used it yet, but we are going to. All right, now with magnetics, you kind of want to go in generously with them. You don't want to use them sparingly, because the more polish there is to push around, the more movement you're going to be able to get. I colored outside the lines a little bit. That's all right, because we can clean it up with a cleanup brush. Let's not lollygag too long. Let's see if I can do this. Apparently I cannot. Is this not a magnetic? I thought for sure it was. Yeah, it says magnetic. So why isn't it magneticking? Did I take too long? Let's try putting some more while it's inside of this velvet magnet thing. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I forgot to do this part first. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, well, you can see that happening. That looks great. Get that off of there. Oh no! Don't stick to that. Alright, hope you can see. I think maybe that this magnet just doesn't have the strength to push it around, because, like, we saw it move, but, like, this is doing nothing. Well, what a disappointment that is. I need to put a little bit more of this on here on this side because it's got a gap. We don't want that gap. Yes, this is a beautiful, beautiful blue polish with a red glitter, and it also kind of shifts to gold. Look at that guy. Yes. When it comes to polishes like this, I often have a difficult time deciding what color to categorize it, but I chose to categorize it as a blue because the base is blue. Even though the shimmers are other colors, but it's not like I could just pick one of the shimmer colors. So pretty. I am disappointed in this guy. Let's see if yeah, even if I do like this, it doesn't really, I mean, you can kind of, at some angles, see that it's doing it, but I guess it's just not strong enough for on the finger. I'm gonna have to experiment with this and see if maybe switching this to something stronger helps. I don't even know if I have something stronger, but we'll find out. Number 3, if you guys have been with me for a little while, you'll know that I use this one a lot and what cool things it does. It's from Alchemy Lacquer. I got this from the October 24 polish pickup. It is called Belt of Venus. Let's get this beautiful color on here. So I really like this one. It is a light blue, almost a gray, stormy type blue. And it has this like pinky, reddy, dusty shimmer in it. You can see it. That's very pretty. But it has a special effect as well. Check this out. So you put a UV light or go out in the sun and look what it does. It is solar color changing. And so if you do nail art on top of this, obviously your nail art isn't going to change color, but the background will, giving you double the design. And it dries matte. And with matte nail polishes, you don't actually have to use a top coat. Save time and get cool polishes. I would like to have more of these. Number 2 is from Victorian Varnish. This one is also a magnetic. It is called Pneumatic Pegasus. And it's a blue base like that other one, but it's full of like green and red and reflective glitter. This one is really, really cool. We're gonna use our velvet magnet again, and I'm going to kind of do it to the side so it pulls our particles more to one side. That way the shift isn't straight up on top. I like to vary where I locate my shifts, so whenever you're looking at the hand you can see different looks without having to move the hand. Alright, let's get that puppy on there. Look at that. You can see that blue. It's quite obviously a blue. It is even a blue glitter in there. It's so pretty, but it is not just this. That would be far too basic for this polish, even though if it was just this, it would be stunning. But it's not just this, because when you turn it, it's this too. And that I find really cool. It's almost like this glowing ember that moves across. You can put that on top, but I like to put it on the side. So when I'm looking at it, it's like, okay, but then there's that part. So that's very cool. And then this one's actually my number 1 favorite blue. It's from Clionadh Cosmetics, and it's a tiny one. They actually make these in a full-size bottle now. It is made with real 24 karat gold flakes. I also got this one at PBE. Definitely recommend. It is part of the Sunken Treasure collection. It's called Deep Sea Treasure, and that it is. I am gonna have to get this one in the full-size bottle because I'm gonna run out of it if I do not. But let's get it on there. Pretty large nail I've chosen to lather with this pretty small bottle of polish, but that is all right. Look how pretty that is. It's so rich and so deep. And there's the sparkles and the gold flakes, and it is very treasure-like. I love this polish. Now, I am gonna go in and do a second coat on all of these so that we can have a look at them in their full 2-coat opacity, but I'm gonna do that off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what we have. I actually didn't do a second coat on this one because it just didn't need it. We are gonna top coat these. I'm not gonna top coat this one though. I'm gonna leave it matte. And then here's this one. Let me just zoom these in for you and show you again. So this is my number 1. Here's my number 2. And then number 3, number 4, and number 5. Which one is your favorite? And do you have any of these polishes? If you do, let me know in the comments below, and which ones let's top coat. I'm gonna use Sèche Vive. You guys know how much I love this top coat. It is so thick and juicy. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Look at that gloss. Now for my magnetics, I'm actually gonna go in first with this Maniology smudge-free top coat. That's gonna keep the regular top coat from dispersing my magnetic particles. But look how pretty that is. It's not quite as glossy, but I'll be putting the other top coat on top of that one. And we're gonna do the same thing over here. This one's gonna need the protective top coat as well. And then we gotta glaze this guy up. That is so nice. Really brings out that sparkle. Beautiful. Also beautiful. Alright, so let me know, what do you think about my favorite 5 blues? And do you disagree with any of my choices? Thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it to the end. If you did, leave me a blue emoji so that I know you made it. And of course, leave me your thoughts. I want to read them. Make sure you're subscribed so you're not missing my content, and check the links below. Follow my socials, those are down there, as well as my affiliate links. If you shop at any of those stores, you might as well use those discounts. Consider joining my channel membership. There are some exclusive perks. Check those out, and if any of them are for you, please do feel free to join. I would love to have you, and I hope to see you at my exclusive members only content. And last but not least, hit the like button if you did like this video. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. Making these YouTube videos for you guys is one of the greatest joys of my life, and I am so happy that I am able to do this. It adds so much value to my life. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.